Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of installing iOS 18 if you're registered in the Apple Developer Beta program. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, ensure your device is enrolled in the Apple Developer Beta program. Visit developer.apple.com on your iPhone or iPad and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, navigate to the Download section and find the iOS 18 beta profile. Tap on Download and follow the on-screen instructions to install the profile. After downloading the beta profile, go to Settings on your device. You should see Profile downloaded at the top. Tap on it and follow the prompts to install the profile. Your device will restart after installation. Once your device has restarted, go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. You should see the iOS 18 beta update available. Tap Download and Install. After the download is complete, tap Install Now. Your device will restart and begin the installation process. This may take some time, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully installed iOS 18 through the Apple Developer Beta program.